7 finalists, the women who will move forward to the final question round. Alright, Marina, dim the lights, here we go! Watch closely because in this moment, everything changes. Starting with one Filipina who stood out with her impact and presence. The Pina Beauty Award winner who topped the category through challenges and highest number of public votes. Our Miss Pina Beauty and first to enter the finals is Miss Sultan Kudarat! And now, the other 6 delegates, guided by the voices of our judges. Your journey continues, Miss
Cebu!
La Union! Still in the running is Miss
Cebu!
Cebu City!
Wow!
You are one step closer to the crown, Miss Tarna! Alright, 3 more spots. You're not done just yet, Miss
Taguig!
Taguig! Claiming her place in the top 7, Miss
Cebu!
Cebu Province! Standing on you here at the Moa Arena, completing our top 7 finalists. Chantel Yuste, Miss Pampanga! There we have it, 7 remarkable Filipinas